Are you worried that a pesky collection account might derail your dreams of homeownership? Well, no reason to fear. Today, we're going to tackle that question. What should I do with a collection account while applying for a VA loan? Welcome, everyone. If you're a veteran or active service duty member, appreciate you. Glad you're here. The VA loan program is an incredible benefit that helps make home ownership more accessible for those who have served our country. However, your credit history plays a crucial role in the approval process, and outstanding collection accounts can be a roadblock. I've had a lot of clients that have come and they've been concerned and they've actually been wondering, like, is this something that's even going to stop me from being able to purchase a home? So let's explore the best strategies for dealing with these accounts and keeping your dreams of being approved for a VA loan alive. So imagine this. You find your dream home only to have your VA loan application denied because of an old, forgotten collection account lingering on your credit report. The first step is to identify any outstanding collection accounts on your credit report. When I work with clients, one of the first things that we do is we pull a copy of their credit report. We analyze it, and this is one of the things that we search for. And also for delinquent accounts, any late payments. These could be anything from unpaid medical bills to overdue utility charges. Once you've identified them, you have a few options. You can pay them off in full, you could negotiate a settlement, or you could dispute any inaccuracies. And remember, being proactive and addressing collection accounts head on is crucial when applying for a VA loan. By taking the appropriate steps, you can improve your credit standing and increase your chances of approval. Before we go any further, the most important thing that I can tell you is that you want to consult with a professional, either a licensed loan officer or a CPA or a credit repair specialist, someone who can guide you in your best interest. Because even though there's a lot of tips that might sound or in general work really well for people, this is kind of counterintuitive, but there's a lot of things that may actually not help where you end up spending money and you didn't need to. Or sometimes there's things like, just closing down certain accounts that have a long history or other things. It's very specific to every single person. And if you don't consult someone first, you may actually inadvertently end up hurting your credit score instead of improving it, even though that was your goal all along. But what if you've already addressed those collection accounts and they're still showing up on your credit report? Well, don't worry, we've got a solution for that too. So picture this. You've diligently paid off or settled those pesky collection accounts, but they're still hurting your credit report, threatening to derail your VA loan dreams. In situations like these, you'll want to obtain written proof of payment or settlement from the collection agency. With this documentation in hand, you can dispute the negative item with the credit bureaus and then have it removed from your credit report. If you'd like more information on the credit dispute process and tips for success, you'll want to subscribe to the channel, as I'll be making a video about this here in the near future. But whatever you do, again, just consult with a professional, someone who's licensed, someone who has experience, someone who can look at your individual situation and give you the best advice for you. By following all these steps and these tips, you'll increase your chances of successfully disputing either any inaccuracies or outdated collection accounts on your credit report. And this will pave the way for a smoother VA loan approval process. And here's the thing. It can feel stressful to do this upfront, but these are the types of things that if you're proactive about your home buying process and you're willing to put in some work up front, it can be a process that is smooth, where you can have peace and confidence and clarity as you go through the loan process. Buying a home is already, it might be one of the biggest things you purchase in your entire life. It's already a stressful process. And this type of preparation up front, or even just knowing and understanding where you're at with your credit, can really help you create a smooth process for achieving that goal of owning a home and going through the loan approval process. Okay, so dealing with the collection accounts, it can be a headache, right? But taking proactive steps to address these things can significantly improve your chances of getting a VA loan approval. But what if you're still struggling with credit issues? Okay, let's face it, because credit can be a complex beast. You can go through it, you could do the right things. Sometimes it takes some time. Sometimes you have to do additional steps. Sometimes there's an order. But even after addressing collection accounts, you might have concerns about your overall credit profile. So if you're dealing with other credit challenges such as low credit score, or maybe you've got higher debts and maybe your income isn't quite high enough, it's what we call debt to income ratio. We have to do a comparison about how much you make versus how much your monthly liabilities or your debt payments are each month. There are other steps you can take to improve your credit standing and increase your chances of getting approved for a VA loan. I'll be making another video on these specific things as well, but really it comes down to reducing your debt, working with a budget, and if needed, working with a reputable credit repair service. If you found the information in this video helpful, please leave a like on the video. It really helps. Be proactive. Take these steps, improve your overall credit profile, and you can increase your chances of getting that approval and making your homeownership dreams a reality. Remember, your service to our country has earned you the right to take advantage of this benefit, being the VA loan. I really believe it's the best loan that's out there, and with the right knowledge and the right preparation, nothing can stand in your way from achieving that goal of owning your home. If I can be a resource to you, please reach out. I'm here for a consultation. I work with veterans or active service duty members across the nation. My name is Matthew Wall. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.